how to transfer crypto from Etoro to a wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer crypto from Etoro to an external wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Etoro Money app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Then head to the cash section and click on crypto in the bottom right corner. After that, if you've already got crypto in your Etoro wallet, you'll see it listed. If not, you'll need to create a wallet. In this case, I have Bitcoin, so I'll select Bitcoin. Next, since we're transferring crypto out of Etoro, we'll choose the send option. Then you can enter the amount you wish to send as well as the address of the external wallet. Now, if you prefer, you can use the camera option to scan the QR code of your external wallet for accuracy, or simply copy and paste the address to avoid mistakes. Once that's done, click the blue send button and your transaction will be completed. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Etoro to an external wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.